Hey, this is Chet Bornova. Today I want to start a journey with you with my new niche website all about dog training. So this website right here I built with Elementor. All the content I put on here is all done by ChatGPT, okay? And what I want to do on this journey is I want to show you how you can use a powerful WordPress plugin called My Content Creator Pro, the elite version, to actually start adding the content for your blog posts and all that stuff to make sure that you start getting tons of free traffic and leads from setting up your own niche website just like I did, okay? So, what I want to do is I kind of want to go over this. This series is going to be called AI Niche Website Case Study, okay? This is going to go on for about 12 months. And like I said, I'm going to show you how you can take your own niche website, like this one, and this one's brand new, no traffic, just me on here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to take your new niche website to get thousands of visitors every single month and start building an email list. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have some type of ebook or some type of product that you're giving people away for free for exchange for their name and their email address. Okay, this is very, very big. Okay, so what I want to do is I just want to show you what I put together here. All right, here it is right here. Now, I love dogs, and I've got a Rottweiler. This is not my Rottweiler. Her name is Hope, okay? Great, great dog with tons and tons of energy. So I thought I'd make a site about dog training, okay? So here's the topics right here we're covering. Puppy training, behavioral dog training, advanced dog training, dog health, and nutrition, okay? So if you look at here, I took time doing this because I want to make sure that people see this site and they're impressed, so they fill out their name and their email address, okay? And like I said, you're going to have to decide what niche you want to do your niche website, but I chose all about dog training, okay? So what you want to do is you want to pick which topic you want to do for your niche website, and then like I said, if you want to follow along in this video and kind of set up a similar site like mine in a different niche, you can. And like I said, if you want to get the plugin called My Content Creator Pro, the elite that's actually going to write the blog posts and content in this website, you can get the link below this video. There will be $47 off the elite version. That's the version I'll be using to actually make the blog posts on this website and eventually making it go on autopilot so I can start getting tons of traffic, thousands every month, and build an email list on autopilot, okay? So I'm going to show you the site so you have an idea of what you should do for your own site. You should always have, obviously, your homepage. You should have different topics. I obviously did dog training topics right here, puppy training, behavioral dog training, advanced dog training, dog health, and nutrition, okay? Now, you want to have a success stories. You want to have a page that allows people to give testimonials to say that they loved your product. So make sure you have one of those. Then your blog page right here, this is going to be where all your blog posts are. These are just dummy pages that I have on right now. But as the videos go on over the next 12 months, you're going to see these blog posts that I create with My Content Creator Pro, a WordPress plugin that's powered by ChatGPT, and you're going to be able to get access to that and do the same that I'm doing and just follow over my shoulder, okay? So, like I said, these are dummy pages, and you will see me in the upcoming videos showing you how this plugin works. So, an about page, you want to make sure this is set up really good, talking about whatever your product is about and who you are. I basically put in here the information of the topics again, links that people can get to the blog post that will go there. Like I said, I did everything to make sure it looks very eye appealing so people like it. You also want to have a contact page so people can get a hold of you with the address right here that shows where you live. You don't have to put your address. You can just put the city you live in if you want. And then what you also need to do is make sure that you add a privacy policy and a terms of service, okay? Very, very important. So this video that I'm making right now is just a review of basically letting you know over the next 12 months, I'm going to show you how I take a brand new niche website like mine, all about dogtraining.com, and I'll put the link so you can actually go there and look at it as I'm building it. But I want you to have an opportunity to get the plugin yourself now so we can do it over your shoulders with me, and you can take it to another level. Now, you don't have to. You can wait months, or you can wait, up to 12 months to see it. But like I said, I'm going to show you how I take this website from 0 visitors to thousands every month and start building an email list, okay, and go from there. So the next video that I make, what it's going to be about is I'm going to show you how to get a free WordPress plugin that works with Google that shows you where your traffic's coming from. And I'm going to show you that this site starts from zero. So you know there's nothing going on or anything like that. And I'm going to go from there and show you that. And like I said, then with your niche website, you can set it up the same way that I'm doing with this free WordPress plugin that works with Google to track all this stuff for your rankings and all that good stuff. So if you want to be a part of this, okay, click the link below this video and you can get your copy of My Content Creator Pro. Like I said, a pop-up will come up here and there'll be a promo code that you can save $47 off the Elite version, because that's the version that we're using to allow our site to be powered by ChatGPT to write our content, okay? So stay tuned to the next video. And like I said, we've got so much good stuff coming for you guys. And like I said, I wanted to show you proof that our plugin really works. My Content Creator Pro, the Elite, and even the Pro. Just the Elite version takes your site to another level. And like I said, you can do it in any niche in the Pro or the Elite version. But like I said, the Elite version is powered with ChatGPT, and it is very, very powerful, and it's going to make your life a lot easier. So thanks again. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Have yourself a great day. This is Chad Portnova. Bye-bye.
Struggle with WordPress content writing? Discover My Content Creator Pro, the best content writing plugin for WordPress. Create engaging, SEO-friendly content with ease. Click the link below this video to transform your WordPress experience with My Content Creator Pro, the best content writing plugin for WordPress.